Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the Synthr public testnet. This is a cross-chain transfer, decentralized exchange. It's a platform that's got all kinds of markets in here, as well as different networks that you can use. And there's a lot to kind of get into. It's a little confusing at first, but once you learn how to, we'll take you through how to mint testnet tokens, how to swap tokens, how to bridge tokens, and mint other testnet tokens for DeFi use. We'll just say that. So before we actually get started in this, and this will be an incentivized testnet, so keep that in mind when you're going through this and interacting. You want to go through all the interactions that they have to offer, clicking all the buttons, everything. So I will help you through this journey, but before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like tokens from airdrops from incentivized testnets. They're not all like that, but there are a good bit, and the more you participate in, the more your chances of getting an airdrop will be. So don't worry about if one project doesn't give an airdrop versus another. I don't know how much an airdrop is going to be. I don't know how much the project is going to give out. So if you're asking those questions, I'm the wrong person. Nobody really knows. It's all just speculation until the actual numbers come out. So also, we have a Discord. Link is in the description below. If you do need any help or have any questions or comments about anything that we cover here on the channel, get in there and I will connect with you as best I can, one-on-one, much faster than I can on YouTube. So thank you to everyone that's in there already, building an amazing community full of trustworthy people where you can share information and not worry about being scammed. And if you do see scammers or impersonators, please reach out to me in the Discord. Try not to send me a message, a DM, but reach out to me in the Discord and we can handle it from there. That way you know you're talking to the real person. So yeah, we'll do that, and I appreciate you all so much. So let's get into it. Hold on, let me get this music going. And Synthr, so basically a DeFi platform, cross-chain. You got 5 different test nets so far. I've been kind of playing around with this over the past few months, and actually close out of there. Let's start with the good old Ethereum Sepolia. Now, I just did a good video on different test nets. Okay. Oh, it's already. So if you see the little blue icon thing right here, that means that this is having some issues. So it looks like we're having some website issues. Okay. And actually, I want to use my Rabby wallet, so I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to back out of here. Let's disconnect. Okay, it's not going to use it. All right. Either way, we're logged in. So go here to the faucet, and you can select what chain. So we'll go to our Ethereum Sepolia because that is the most commonly used. And I was saying that I did a testnet video the other day that I posted, and it has, all the stuff to go through to get testnet Ethereum, and other testnet tokens. So we'll come here, and just each one of these, you want to click on, hit request, and then go through that process. So each one of these assets, it's going to be a pain in the ass to collect all of them. but we want to make sure that we're getting, there you go, transaction successful. We want to make sure we're getting all of these testnet tokens, and yes, all of these. And then when you go to Arbitrum Sepalia, and in that video the other day, I show you how to bridge tokens from Ethereum to Arbitrum to these other testnets. So don't worry about, oh, how do I send it? Go back and watch that video and check it out. So here, go through the same process. Start getting these assets, and you don't have to do this daily. You can do it, once or twice a week, as long as you're making interactions on a weekly basis. And then switch to Avalanche, and we'll go ahead and mint some tokens on each one. That way you can use it. So AVAX, we do have Avalanche. Testnet, I think we do. Yeah. But if you notice, if you click on it, it doesn't just take you, or it takes you to a new website, right? That's because all of these, like AVAX for Avalanche, it's the token that you use to make transactions with. And those tokens, also Ethereum on the Ethereum network, it'll take you to the Ethereum faucet. And that, it's like a special faucet that you go to where you can request your testnet tokens, and it's more controlled. All these other, USDC, USDT type tokens, those are not as controlled as these main transaction testnet tokens. So there we go. We've requested our AVAX, and then we'll just go ahead and do some ETH with that as well. And it's all about, each one of these is a different smart contract that you're interacting with. So when they check their metrics for wallets and who's interacted with this exchange or this application, you want to see how many times did they go and request tokens from the faucet, how many different tokens did they request, and did you add the token to your wallet? We'll go ahead and add this token to our wallet. Okay, close that. Oh, I guess that one doesn't work. So we'll copy our token address and we'll do it manually. And if not, that's going to be a bug that I will put in. So go to tokens, import token address. There you go, RSETH. Boom, we've added it. Okay, now we go to BNB. And same thing, just get you some, first get you some BNB testnet tokens. I think I have some. Yeah, I got a little bit. So go in here, request your BNB. Whoops, not that. I'm gonna put in my address, my wallet address. Click the little dots, right. Huh, interesting. I wonder if it won't give me the testnet tokens. Nope. Okay. Either way, do the same thing here. Request your testnet tokens. I don't know why the faucet isn't working for me for the BNB, but you can go try it out yourself. And then once we get that, I'll close out of here. And then Polygon, I'm not going to worry about that. We can go and do that later. We got a lot to go through. So adding collateral, you can come in and add some collateral to this liquidity pool. So we'll just do everything on one network, and then I'll let you guys and gals go through on your own. So this is how you add collateral. Remember, go through and add a little bit of each one of these. So this is the first one we'll add. We'll do the ETH. And then the second one we'll add okay, add more collateral. We'll go RS ETH and just do that on down the line. That way you get your interaction with all the smart contracts and you're getting your interaction count up. There we go. Let's go. Oh. Okay, add collateral. Okay. Transaction success. Is it this one or is it another one? Okay, I'm going to close out of there because we'll go ahead and check out. Yep, success. So we'll go back to mint and close out of here. And then we can mint some SYUSD. No, I don't want Arbitrum. I want Ethereum. We're going to cancel this. So this is their like synthetic token. You can burn a certain amount. I don't have any SYUSD. Let's swap for some synthetic assets. So I don't have any synthetic assets. Why is it on Arbitrum? Interesting. Okay, we're gonna mint some tokens. It looks like we're on Arbitrum, I guess. Oh, so we mint from, it looks like you mint from another chain to to Ethereum. It's interesting. So just go through those steps right there. Mint on Ethereum. Make sure you're on the Arbitrum Sepolia. And then you mint your synthetic assets. There's no Galaxy campaign or anything for this, but they do have a little metric, little leaderboard thing. I don't know how they process it all, but, and this is, taking a little time to mint, huh? Let's see. I'm gonna refresh and see if it just got hung up. Okay, we got some. We didn't get all of it, but we got some of it. Okay, so we'll go to swap now that we have our SYUSD. And then we'll go to Ethereum. And we'll just swap over a little bit. Now this is moving your asset from Arbitrum Sepolia to Ethereum. And you can swap this SYUSD for this, you know. Okay, transaction failed. So let's test out another one. We're going to swap this SYUSD for whatever that SY Apple. Okay. Interesting. So it doesn't look like we can do that. So let's see if we can swap it on the Arbitrum network itself. Okay. So it doesn't look like you can cross-chain swap, which that's what that was. But I'm going to see if I can move from Ethereum to Arbitrum. Come on. Bro, this whole thing's so laggy. I get so frustrated when... Okay, now let's see if we can do a synthetic asset swap to Arbitrum. Now, I don't know what the issue is. Maybe it just doesn't have the proper cross-chain transfer protocol in place. Either way, hopefully that'll confirm. If not, you know how to swap. We've done one, so do it on the same chain. So now you want to do that for all of these. Just go through and test different functions, different features. Now we'll go back to Mint, and you can actually burn the assets that you minted. Let's go here to that. We will burn and get our debt back. And transaction failed. Not sure why, but let's see. Oh, maybe because there was another transaction. Either way, that's how you burn the assets to get them back. And you want to maintain this debt ratio. And once this confirms, you can withdraw. The collateral that you put in, you can withdraw that. So make sure you go into the right chain. Now we'll put in the Ethereum Sepalia. Oh yeah, we are on the right chain. I guess we're not. So let's see. Transaction history still pending. We're gonna go into liquidations and see. No liquidation. Liquidation rewards. Bridge, no. Okay, and you can bridge assets over. So we're gonna send over some assets to Avalanche. I don't know, just test it all out. Test it all out. Swap back and forth between the bridges or the different networks and bridge assets. Come and test out everything. And they do kind of lay it out to where you need to hit stuff in order. So it's kind of nice, but it is a little confusing at times. So you have to start out by minting your assets. Well, the faucet actually. The faucet should really be up here. but I get it. The faucet, mint all your tokens, add collateral, and then you can swap to different assets, the synthetic assets. Once you swap into those, you can go and mint other tokens. Well, I guess you can mint that without. You can burn, withdraw collateral, and self-liquidate. Oh. Oh, you have to be eligible for self-liquidation. So I guess we would need to... I'm just going to burn this. Burn it to the max. We'll burn it, Bernie Sanders. Well, I guess that one doesn't work. But you get the gist of it. I mean, it's coming in here in typical testnet, interacting with all these features, making sure that these things work properly. If you see any bugs, write it down and send it to another, send it to one of the devs in the Discord. Discord's really key with these projects, especially the testnet, because they do have a feedback section to where you can put in your request and stuff you're having issues with, technical issues, bug reports, and sometimes they do reward people for submitting valid technical stuff. So I hope you have fun with this testnet. Synthr got a lot of different things you can interact with, so it's not super boring. But also they let me see, portfolio or home, where's it at? They do have these badges down here. So there you go. View leaderboard. Yeah. Mine's and see, that's weird because I've used this before, but I don't know why I haven't gotten like any. Yeah, it's weird. Well, either way, come in here, make your interactions, build these up. Each one of these transactions, you want to get at least the minimum. So I got a lot of work to do. And yeah, but if you do need help, please jump in the Discord and we will be there for all of your needs. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.